Good morning, guys. Today is Easter morning and I'm filming this video, a quick video, just to show one of my favorite plant, King Protea. I'm up at Mark's and I just wanted to take a chance and quickly film this video since the weather is so beautiful. There is sea up there, and unfortunately I live in the apartment and I don't have a chance to actually own plants like these, but one day hopefully when I do end up having a house, I just dream to be able to plant these. This is also a very pretty plant in my opinion. This is a bird of paradise, and I think yes, Protea, bird of paradise, this is how it's called. It's just very pretty. This is bird of paradise, but it hasn't bloomed yet. These are tiny King Proteas. Hi guys, Margaret just came around and she said that apparently these are like the national symbol of South Africa. Very pretty. This is the sea, the beach. I'm gonna show you like a bigger plant of King Protea, sorry, bigger flower. I don't know, would I call it flower of King Protea? That's that there. Very pretty. And she came over and she has taken these spider webs away from the plant. She's cleaned it up a little bit, so it's much more clearer to see the flower. This is such a beautiful morning, I can't stress that enough. These gorgeous Proteas are just spectacular to me. I might go for a little swim or something. Just take advantage being out of the city and really just relax today. Today is the Easter morning, as I said. Maybe have a cup of coffee, relax. Yeah, I might have to say goodbye till my next video. Thank you for watching.